What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another review. I'm so grateful to have you here again. Today we're talking about Powerowl batteries. These are brand new. They just put them on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description below. The price on them, they're about $6 and some change each. They come in 6-pack and 12-pack. You have a CR123As and CR2s. They asked me if I wanted to give some a try. I said, sure. They sent me the ones I actually don't have a use for, the CR123s. So I actually wound up purchasing the CR2s because I needed some anyway. I have some Amazon basic batteries, and those are only good for about a year before I don't get any use for them anymore until they're completely drained. These, I might have a flashlight, a keychain flashlight or something like that lying around. I haven't really looked too hard, but that would be the typical application for 123 batteries. They're non-rechargeable lithium. They do have a 10-year shelf life, and that's why I'm interested in the CR2 batteries. And let me show you my intention for use. That is right here. Now this is a Picatinny mounted laser flashlight combo for a pistol. Every time I put an Amazon Basics battery in here, there's about a year in between that I try to use it, and it's either very, very dim or it's all the way dead. So I'm hoping that these results will be better on these batteries. But I do have a brand new Amazon Basics battery in here right now, just to show you. It is bright with the flashlight as well. But the only problem, like I was saying, is they don't last very long, it seems like. So I'm going to pop this one out. And yes, I've already opened these. This is my third take. My neighbors have loud vehicles and they keep contaminating my audio. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I can get through it this time without interruptions. All right, turn it back on. It's about the same brightness, not gonna lie. Good batteries. My hope, like I said, is this can sit where it's at and not be used, and I don't have to worry about it not powering that on if I ever, God forbid, needed to use it in my home. We'll see. I'll check it periodically every 6 months or so, and obviously probably won't be doing an updated review, but I have high hopes for these. Everything else that I've had, the CR2032s that I just did a review for not that long ago, I'll put a link in the card up here. You guys can check that out. It's still going strong in my key fob. I can still go 400 or 500 feet away and lock my car. I can go almost a quarter mile away and still hit my my panic button so I can find my car in a big parking lot if I need to. So I have full confidence in these batteries. Powerowl makes some great batteries that just work, and they're reliable. They don't ship to you dead or anything like that. So keep on the lookout for them. I'll put a link in the description below, so that way if you make a purchase, I get a couple of cents back from that. So I appreciate it. That's the only money that ever exchanges hands. And that helps out the channel to keep putting out reviews like this. So let me know what you guys think. If you already have some Powerowls, please put them down in the description below. I'd like to know what you think about them. That's all I got. So until the next review, take care. Bye-bye.